Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my lemon pepper fried chicken tenders. So to start off, I'm using 1 kg of chicken tenders. You actually find this part next to the breast of the chicken. You can season however you like, but I use half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of some chili flakes, half a tablespoon of some cayenne, and I finish that off with juice of half a lemon. Make sure to give this a good mix and allow it to marinate for up to an hour. For the batter, you want to use some lemon pepper chicken fry mix. If you don't have this fry mix, you can also use plain flour. I also used 2 eggs and also added a dash of milk as well. To the flour, I added some lemon pepper seasoning. Once the chicken is marinated together, you're going to want to add it inside of the egg wash first. And then follow it by adding it to the fry mix. So to check if your oil is hot without burning, I sprinkle on some plain flour. If it does this, it means your oil is ready. You can also use a toothpick. If you put it inside the oil and it bubbles, it means it's ready. So when it comes to the chicken, you're going to want to fry it for around 4 to 5 minutes on each side on a medium to high heat. For frying, my preference is either sunflower oil or vegetable oil. For this video, I use sunflower oil to fry the chicken. After 5 minutes on a medium to high heat, it's time to turn over your chicken. If you feel like the chicken is browning too quickly or kind of burning, put the heat lower. Once my chicken looks a little bit like this, it's time to remove it from the pan. For the next part, I'm using some olive oil spread, or you can use any butter that you like. So for the 6 pieces of chicken that I fried, 1 tablespoon of butter is enough. After melting the butter for around 30 seconds, you're going to want to add in lemon pepper seasoning as well. I use around half a tablespoon, but you can really just use your preference. Make sure to give that a good mix, and you're going to want to coat the fried chicken in the butter. Your tenders should be juicy and shining like this. And this is it. This is literally how I make my lemon pepper fried chicken tenders. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like to see more content, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.